and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing something again slightly different. I've been sent this mini electric chainsaw from Seika, so we are going to do a bit of an unbox and a little bit of a talk through this. And I have been out in a field and showing you how it works, and it was really fun, and I was really excited about getting this product, and when I got it in the post I just had to do the video straight away. So this is my video of the Seika mini electric chainsaw. I hope you enjoy. Okay, as you can see, we've got the box here and we're just gonna open it up. So straight away you have the battery, that's rechargeable. And you have the mini chainsaw. It is a little bit dirty because, like I said, I have been using this. But yeah, it's quite smart. If my camera will focus, hold on a second. There we go. As you can see, it says chainsaw on. It's alright to be touching the blade as there's no battery attached, but once that battery is attached, I'd avoid touching that blade just in case you did pull the trigger. It comes with this black bit, which is a bit of a guard, but I did find this got in the way a little bit, and there is just one screw holding it on, so you could just take that off and get rid of that completely. But from Seika's point of view, it's very handy because it is a guard that stops your fingers from flying up and over and into the blade. So that's the chainsaw. This is just the wrapping it all came in, so it does come nicely wrapped. Obviously I have used it, so that's why it is out of the wrapping. You get a little screwdriver and a little spanner, and this is for tensioning your chain up. And you get a little bit of oil that you can put in to oil the chain because it's meant to run with an oil chain. But I have already done that, so I don't need to be doing that. And there is instructions as well, but I've left them somewhere, which I have definitely read all about. And the next thing is you get a charger. Now this was the only downfall for me. This was actually based off a UK site, as far as I know, which you can get from Amazon. And it came with the charger, and I was so keen, I didn't even look at it. I plugged it in, went to the hole in the wall, plug it in, and it's got a foreign pin, which is a little bit strange because I'm sure this is from a UK site. So if you didn't have another charger that fitted that, you would have to go and buy one or email the company and see what they said. I'm sure being Seika, they would actually help and sort you out because they have been spot on with me. But like I say, I was just lucky enough that I had another one that did fit our UK 3-point chargers. So this has actually been charged up now. So I'm going to plug it in and let you see. The battery just slides in nicely, just like a normal impact or drill, and clicks in. And then you have a safety button that you have to press before you press the trigger. If you don't press that in, the trigger won't be pressed. So, press the button in, pull the trigger. And that's basically it. Now I have put together a little montage of me cutting a bit of a tree down. I say a bit of a tree down, a few branches off a tree. And I'm going to play that now. Quite small. I was pleasantly surprised at how good it was. Yes, you're not going to be cutting big chunks off trees, but you can cut all the little sticks off that get in the way of a big chainsaw, all the like smaller parts that you could use just for burning in your fire in your stove to keep you warm through winter. So that was great for that. Now, that's just because I'm a cabinet maker and obviously trees are my thing. But if you weren't a cabinet maker, this would actually be really good for just gardening, for just getting rid of the little sticks in the way or pruning little things. I think that would be great for gardening. One more reason I thought this might be good in an industry that I work in with fine furniture is you could actually cut spindle blanks for the lathe with it. Instead of getting out your jigsaw or going on a big crosscut, because not all of you have a big crosscut in a garage, you could actually just get out this little guy and just straight through and it will cut it, no bother. You could cut an end of a board with it. Sometimes timber comes in with a bit of metal in the end really, and it's like wiggly and it's to hold like a split together or anything like that. You could cut them out because you don't want to put them near a good saw that costs thousands of pounds. But yeah, overall I thought this was great.